So what we're seeing here is something called MPK20. So that's a tool that's been developed using Project Wonderland as the infrastructure underlying. And it's basically a virtual workplace where employees, Sun Microsystems employees, can come and work with their colleagues. Now at Sun, we do a lot of working from home, so we're not often in the office. That brings the office in a virtual way to everybody's home. And it's a Java application, so it runs on anything. On the left screen, it's running on Linux. We have it running on another screen on Solaris. It runs on anything. And so here you have Jason, the person on the left screen, walking around up to, for example, a terminal window that's been opened, and that will let people actually see the commands he's typing. For example, doing a demonstration. Here is how I would clear my screen. And on the right screen, you have Angela, who's looking at that same window and seeing the same information that gets displayed just as it's been typed. So you can see on the right screen, Angela, which is the point of view, and to her left, Jason in green, who just walked back in and moved the screen. So it's very interesting because that way, not only do you have that experience of being in the office and seeing your colleagues and interacting with them, but you can also actually do demonstrations, show things. Let me show you how to do this and that. If you go back to the left screen, for example, you're seeing an animation. So that can be used for educational purposes. You have an animation of our project black box, and it's showing how it is structured inside. So it could be used as a teaching tool. This is basically, the webcast of the future. It's the 3D cast. And so, of course, it's something that Sun has developed because we need this kind of tool internally, but anybody else could use it for creating a virtual enterprise, a virtual chess club, a virtual museum, a virtual shop. Anything where users need to walk in, move around, get a feeling of space, interact with things. I had a company talking to me who was looking at using this, for example, because they drive machinery. They do control software for machinery. And you could actually have machine in the 3D world, and somebody could log into the Wonderland environment, program the machine, see it actually move, make sure that, for example, the arms don't cross, things don't crash. And then when they're happy with what they've done, they could download back to their or email back to their actual company the program they've written so that it drives their actual machines.
Okay, so
yeah. So, well, this is as an example. This is a conference room. So you actually have the different people who are connected in the conference room, and you are going to be initializing the voice communication between the various users, so that you can also do voice streaming, talking to each other.